Hey there, future creators! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of content creation? In this video, we'll uncover the secrets to success on YouTube, TikTok, blogging, and podcasting, plus reveal how much money you can make on each platform. Whether you're a tech-savvy millennial, a blogging enthusiast, or a podcasting pro, we've got you covered. So let's get started and find out how you can turn your passion into profit. 1. YouTube. First up, let's talk about YouTube, the land of endless entertainment and education. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is a goldmine for creators. But what's the secret to making big bucks on YouTube? Well, it's simple, yet requires dedication. When it comes to income, YouTube offers 3 primary avenues: advertising revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Let's start with advertising revenue. Once you join the YouTube Partner Program, which requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can earn money from ads displayed on your videos. The magic happens when viewers watch these ads, and the more engaging your content is, the higher the chances of ad revenue. But wait, there's more. Sponsorships are another significant income source for YouTube creators. As your channel grows, brands will approach you for sponsorships, paying you to mention or feature their products or services in your videos. For example, imagine promoting a new camera. Given the wide reach of YouTube and its diverse audience, these partnerships can bring in substantial income. And let's not forget about affiliate marketing. YouTube creators can leverage affiliate links to earn commissions on products they recommend. For instance, if you review camera equipment and viewers make purchases through your unique affiliate links, you'll receive a commission. YouTube provides a platform for creators to thrive, whether through ad revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. It's a fantastic opportunity to earn money while sharing your passions. Now let's take a closer look at some of the top earners. Mr. Beast, known for his thrilling challenges and giveaways, boasts over 17 million subscribers and has amassed a fortune with an estimated net worth of $20 million. Emma Chamberlain, the queen of vlogging, has over 12 million subscribers and has built a net worth of approximately $12 million. Markiplier, the gaming guru, has over 34 million subscribers and has an estimated net worth of $35 million. These creators have achieved massive success through various income streams on YouTube. To make money on YouTube, remember to focus on quality content, engagement, and exploring different monetization avenues. Now let's turn our attention to the next big thing in social media, TikTok. 2. TikTok. TikTok has taken the world by storm, captivating millions with its short-form videos. If you're wondering how to make money on TikTok, you're in the right place. TikTok has revolutionized the way people consume and create content, and it's no surprise that many are eager to jump on this trend and start earning. The key to success lies in understanding TikTok's algorithm and creating content that resonates with its massive audience. When it comes to income on TikTok, there are 2 primary avenues: the TikTok Creator Fund and brand partnerships. The TikTok Creator Fund is a fantastic initiative that rewards creators based on their original audio content, video views, and engagement. By posting high-quality, engaging videos, you can maximize your earning potential through this fund. However, the real money is made through brand partnerships. As your TikTok following grows, you'll attract the attention of brands seeking to collaborate. They'll offer you sponsorships, sending you free products, or paying you to create content featuring their offerings. For instance, if you're a fashion influencer, you can partner with clothing brands to promote their latest collections to your followers. But wait, there's more. TikTok also presents opportunities through affiliate marketing. By promoting products and services with unique affiliate links, you can earn commissions on any sales you drive. This allows you to diversify your income streams and explore various affiliate programs. TikTok offers a dynamic and exciting platform for creators to showcase their talents and build a loyal following. With the right strategy, you can tap into brand partnerships and affiliate marketing to unlock new income opportunities. Let us now shift our focus to the world of blogging and explore how you can make money in that realm. 3. Blogging. Blogging is a fantastic way to share your thoughts, experiences, and expertise with the world while potentially earning some extra cash. It's no surprise that many individuals and businesses are turning to blogging as a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time career. There are several ways to monetize your blog, such as display advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Display advertising is one of the most popular methods where you place ads on your blog and earn revenue based on views or clicks. Platforms like Google AdSense allow you to join their network and display relevant ads on your site. On the other hand, sponsored posts involve collaborating with brands that pay you to write articles or create content that promotes their products or services. Affiliate marketing is another effective way to monetize your blog. By joining affiliate programs, you can earn commissions on products or services you recommend to your audience. Imagine recommending camera equipment and earning a commission on any sales you drive. But what sets blogging apart is the potential for passive income. Once your blog posts rank well in search engines, they can continue to generate revenue even while you sleep. Take a blog post like Best Cameras for Beginners, which can consistently earn affiliate commissions long after the initial publication date. Let's take a look at some of the top-earning blogs in the photography niche. Digital Photography School, with its comprehensive guides and tutorials, has an estimated annual revenue of $1.5 million. Petapixel, known for its breaking news and reviews, earns an estimated $1 million annually. FSTOPRs, with its community-driven approach, generates an estimated $500,000 per year. These blogs have achieved remarkable success through various monetization strategies. If you're ready to start your own blog, choose a niche you're passionate about, create valuable content, and explore different monetization avenues to build a profitable blog. Next, let us delve into the world of podcasting and discover how you can make money in this growing industry. For podcasting has emerged as one of the most popular forms of content consumption, captivating audiences worldwide. With its potential for personal growth and entertainment, it's no wonder many individuals are considering starting their own podcast. There are two main ways to make money through podcasting: sponsorships and listener support. Sponsorships involve collaborating with brands that pay you to mention their products or services during your podcast episodes. As your podcast gains popularity, you'll attract the attention of sponsors looking to reach your audience. For example, imagine promoting a new camera in a podcast episode targeted towards photography enthusiasts. In addition to sponsorships, podcasters can also monetize their content through listener support platforms like Patreon. Here, fans can become patrons, contributing monthly to support your podcast and gain exclusive perks like early access to episodes or behind-the-scenes content. Finally, don't overlook affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services relevant to your podcast topic, you can earn commissions on any sales you drive. This allows you to diversify your income streams and explore various affiliate programs. Some of the highest-earning podcasts include The Dave Ramsey Show with an estimated annual revenue of $30 million. This financial advice podcast has a massive following and generates revenue through sponsorships and product sales. The Joe Rogan Experience, a popular interview podcast, reportedly earns around $20 million annually, with sponsorships being a major source of income. My Favorite Murder, a true crime comedy podcast, has an estimated annual revenue of $10 million, driven by sponsorships and live show tickets. These successful podcasts demonstrate the earning potential in the podcasting industry. To make money with your podcast, focus on providing value to your audience, securing sponsorships, and building a loyal listener base. And don't forget to explore affiliate marketing to further diversify your income streams. 5. Tips for success. While each platform has its unique earning potential, there are some universal tips for success in content creation. Consistency is crucial. Create high-quality content regularly to keep your audience engaged. Focus on quality over quantity. Create content that provides value, entertains, or educates your audience. Building an audience should be your priority before monetizing. Focus on providing value and building a loyal following. Avoid relying on just one income stream. Diversify your income by exploring different monetization options on each platform. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of content creation. We hope you've gained valuable insights and are ready to embark on your own creative journey. Remember to stay consistent, focus on quality, and explore various monetization avenues to build a thriving content creation business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.